Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on tenses of different kinds of verbs. We're actually going to be working on this for the next couple of weeks. We are going to be working on 3 different kinds of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. So past tense is something that happened in the past, present tense is what's happening right now, and future tense is what's going to be happening in the future. I have a video that we're going to watch that explains tenses a little bit more.
Cool spaceship, Moby. You wrote a story about the future? In the future, everyone traveled in space shuttles. People and robots lived on Mars and had eaten a lot of candy. Aliens will help everyone with our homework. Moby, your tenses are all mixed up. Well, tense is how verbs show time. You know, like past, present, and future tenses. How do you use present tense? The present tense shows what's happening now. Let's see, what is everyone doing right now? He washes the dog. She talks on the phone for hours. I write in my notebook. And, you spray water all over Mia. For the pronouns he and she, you add es or s to the end of a verb to show present tense. But for the pronouns I and you don't add es or s. For the pronouns they and we, you don't add es or s either. They get wet. We love Senor Maurice. These sentences are about the present, but sometimes I like to write about the past. How do you use the past tense? When you write about stuff that's already happened, you use the past tense. The brave knight walked to the dragon's cave. I added ed to the end of the verb to show past tense. He rode the dragon to a land far, far away. Rode is the past tense of ride. We definitely don't say he rided the dragon to a land far, far away. I guess it's an irregular verb and doesn't exactly follow the rules. Hide, take, give, go, and is are all pretty different than their past tenses. I guess there are a lot of irregular verbs, like eat and ate, grow and grew, run and ran. But I don't always write about the past either. How do you use the future tense? When you write about stuff that's going to happen, use the future tense. In the future, we will live on Mars. To use the future tense, you add the word will before the verb. Moby, you should use the future tense in your story. In the future, everyone will travel in space shuttles. People and robots will live on Mars, and everyone will eat a lot of candy. Aliens will help us with our homework. Perfect, Moby. Moby, did an alien help you with your homework?
Alright, so today for your activity, you're not going to be doing a worksheet. I'm going to assign an IXL lesson for you to complete. You should all have IXL on your iPad. If for some reason your IXL logged out, you can reach out to your teacher and we'll get you your IXL information. On your IXL, you are going to be practicing identifying past tense, present tense, and future tense. Okay, and I will put the IXL lesson on Shobi so you know exactly which one that you need to complete. Okay, so we have a sentence here. I'm going to do a couple with you so you know what to do on your IXL lesson. It says, which tense does the sentence use? So here's our sentence. They will fix the car engine. Will fix is our verb phrase. So we need to decide, is will fix in the past tense, in present tense, or in future tense? I am going to give you a clue. If you see the word will, that means that's something that you're going to do in the future. They will fix the car in the future. They didn't do it in the past. They're not doing it right now. They're going to do it in the future. So this sentence is future tense. All right, number 2. Johnny uses honey in the cake. So uses is our verb. We need to decide, is that past tense, like it happened in the past? Is it present tense, like he's doing it right now? Or is it future tense, like it's something he's going to do in the future? So Johnny uses honey in the cake. So for this one, Johnny is using the honey right now. He's using the honey to put in the cake. So that would be present tense. He's using it right now. Let's do one more. Number 3. In the morning, Mrs. Browning shoveled the snow. Shoveled is our verb. It's our bolded word. We need to decide, is shoveled in the past tense, in the present tense, or in the future tense? I'm going to give you another clue, boys and girls. If you see an ED at the end of the word, so on shoveled, we see an ED at the end, that is usually past tense. So Mrs. Browning shoveled the snow. That's something she did in the past. Maybe she did it an hour ago. Maybe she did it 4 hours ago. Maybe she did it yesterday. But that's still past. So shoveled is past tense. All right, so I'm going to post the lesson on Shobi so you know exactly which IXL lesson to get done. If you need any help, don't be afraid to ask a teacher. Thank you. Bye.